Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, Travis Smikle became the first Jamaican thrower to qualify for the World Athletics Championships in Oregon this summer after winning the men's discus throw event at the J3's SDF Jubilee Series on Saturday inside the National Stadium. There are many ways to celebrate a birthday, but not many get the chance to celebrate it with a World Championship qualifying mark. Travis Smikle, who turned 30 on Saturday, produced a winning mark of 66.60 meters to take the men's discus throw event and in the process pocketed $90,000.
First and foremost, I give God thanks for this achievement, qualify for the World Championship. So that was really the aim all season. And the reason why I celebrated the way I did was because for the whole season, I've been trying to hit the mark. I've been averaging between 64 and 65. So to get it today, which is also my birthday, I'm very happy about that.
Smikle, who wants to better his personal best of 67.75 meters, was the only competitor above 60 meters on the night and now has the 12th best throw this season, which ranks him 7th on the World Athletics 2022 list.
Well, we have to take everything in stride, and right now I think I'm on course. One of my goals for this season is to get a PB, but get it when it counts.
On the track, two-time double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah produced 22.75 seconds to open her season over 200 meters. And while she already has 4 Olympic individual titles, she wants to add the elusive world crown.
Yes, definitely have a Dublin this year. We have 3 major championships back to back, but I'm taking it championship by championship. But this one I'll be Dublin. I have no titles in the World Championship, so I'm definitely looking forward to get one this year. And I'm just working on my weakness and my strength to get there.
Olympic bronze medalist Shericka Jackson also showed good early season form in the 100 meters, winning the event in 11 seconds flat, despite a negative wind of 1.8 meters per second. And even though Elaine Thompson-Herah and Shelley and Fraser-Price are the main contenders heading into this summer, the former Veer technical athlete is not shying away from the challenge.
I have so many medals from the World Championship, but I'm yet to get a gold medal. So my aim this season is to add a world title to my name, and I'm working hard, and I hope by the end of the season I will accomplish that goal.
Anthony Cox won the men's 400 meters in a personal best time of 45.75 seconds. He defeated a quality field, including Demish Gay, who was second in 46.04.
Well, I'm just been coming out here and trying to do my best as the season progresses, because I go 46.5 a day. So I'm just coming and see what else I can do.
The third and penultimate meet in the series will take place on May 21, also at the National Stadium.